Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how to create this very easy and very aesthetically pleasing 3D text effect within Adobe Photoshop. I say it's easy, it's a very simple process for you to follow and a very powerful effect that you can get from it, which you can use across many forms of graphic design. Okay, so what I'm going to do is come to our layers window, which is situated on the right hand side here. I'm just going to click that top group with my mouse and just press backspace to remove. And now I'm just going to turn on that type layer that I already have on the artboard for me already prepared. And I have a adjustment layer for our background. Okay, what we can do to layers in Photoshop is apply styles to them. The best way to do that would be either come to your effects panel or effects option here, or what I do is just simply double click the layer, which will bring up your layer style. Then what I'm not going to do is come through and use a color overlay. We can change the color obviously. So if I double click here, we can come through and we can change the color. So I'm going to start off with sort of a real sort of dark reddy kind of color and press OK. And press OK again. Now to that layer, what I would like to do is now duplicate it. The shortcut to do that is Command J on Mac or Control J on Windows. And with the move tool still selected, I'm just going to press shift and press up a couple times. As you can see, we're moving it now. But what I do need to do is change the color of this top layer. So with our color overlay, just double click it, come to your color option, and I'm just going to move this up slightly here, just to get a lighter orange kind of color. Perfect. And I'm going to do the same process again. So Command J on Mac or Control J on Windows to duplicate that layer, double click the overlay, come through here, and increase that like so. Wonderful. Let's use our move tool and let's click up. And let's do it one more time. Double click here. Let's change this color to sort of a real light yellow. Let's press OK. Let's press OK. And what I may even do here as well is add a slight stroke to that top layer. So yet again, just double click on it, stroke. I'm pretty happy with the size and the color of it, to be honest. And then what I would like to do is group all these type layers together. So with the top layer highlighted, I'm going to come to the bottom one and press shift and click. As you can see, they're all highlighted now. I'm going to use the shortcut Command G on Mac or Control G on Windows to group them into a group. Fantastic. And to that group layer, if you just double click it and apply a drop shadow, maybe come through and manipulate this drop shadow to make it look a little bit nicer. And let's bring the opacity down a tad here. There we go. Subtlety is key in my personal opinion. And there you have it, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and see you.